Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Figure 1 Medical Cases app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Figure 1 is a medical education and collaboration app designed for healthcare professionals and medical students to share, discuss, and learn from real medical cases. Often referred to as Instagram for doctors, it allows verified clinicians to post de-identified medical images and case summaries, encouraging global discussion and knowledge sharing within the medical community. It's available on both iOS and Android, and can be accessed via web as well. The app's main feature is its case sharing and discussion platform, where medical professionals upload anonymized patient cases for educational purposes. Users can comment, ask questions, and get feedback from experienced specialists worldwide. Figure 1 also offers curated case studies, quizzes, and journal insights that help users strengthen their diagnostic and clinical reasoning skills. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its global medical community, educational value, and wide variety of cases across multiple specialties. It's especially helpful for medical students, residents, and early career professionals who want exposure to rare conditions and expert insights. The app's moderation team ensures content accuracy and privacy, making it a trusted space for learning. However, there are some drawbacks. Posting cases requires strict adherence to privacy guidelines, and approval may take time. The app also relies on active community engagement, so in less popular topics, responses can be slow. Additionally, while free to use, some premium educational features and CME modules may come at a cost. In summary, the Figure 1 app may be worth using if you're a healthcare professional or student seeking real-world medical learning, global discussions, and access to verified clinical insights. However, if you prefer formal textbook-style learning or need offline access, it might not fully replace traditional resources. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.